Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Round 3 review of the Serbian Open League. If you enjoy this kind of content, a like and subscribe would really help. Let's begin with the review. Nedic. Score, 2-1. High mental strength, stable score, and a constant threat to everyone. Poatan. Score, 3-0. 3 matches, 3 convincing wins, including a 7-0 against Stusta 121, currently the most dominant player in the league. Come 85 PFC. Score, 3-0. Quiet but brutal performance. Every match secure, highlighted by a 7-1 against Darko. Grobar. Score, 3-0. Perfect start and consistent control in every match. Wins without drama and maintains a high level throughout. Marjanovic. Score, 1-2. Breakthrough win in round 3. The trend is moving upward. Lazar Tef. Score, 2-1. Big win against leader in round 3. Shows character and a clutch mentality. And that would be all for the round 3 review. I hope you enjoyed it. I invite all of you to join the Facebook group, Tennis Clash. Zajednica Srbija I samo Srbi. See you in the next videos. Until then, sportski pozdrav.